How to fix time on Facebook not showing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook time management or your time on Facebook option not showing on your phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1. That is to update the Facebook app. So here, simply open the Play Store app on your phone and here, once you have opened it, simply search for the Facebook app. And now here on the search result, if you find any update available, simply update it to the latest version because sometimes missing feature may appear after an update. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear the cache. So here, if that feature is missing and you are on Android, then you can try clearing your app cache. So here to do that, simply long press on the app icon and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here, once you will see the interface like this, just tap on clear data option which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it. And with that, you can simply reopen the Facebook and log in again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check time management settings. So now you simply have to open the Facebook app. And now here, once inside, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings page, simply scroll down and there simply search for the time management option. And there, if it's still not showing, don't worry. We will continue to the next step. So here, you can switch to another account as well. So sometimes the feature may be available on some accounts but not others. So in that case, you can try switching between different accounts and check if the time management option appears. And if it does appears, then it's likely a temporary bug on your main account. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reinstall the Facebook app. So if the issue persists, uninstall the Facebook app completely and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store, and this will refresh all the features and often bring back missing option like your time on Facebook. And with that, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.